everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic is a monthly sub. It's supposed to be a UK sub, but I believe it ships from the US. The longer you sign up, the cheaper the box is. I believe that if you sign up for a year, it's $20.50 a box. 6 months, it's $22 Canadian, that is, with no shipping added on. And I believe if you do monthly, it's $24, $25. The nice thing is if you sign up for a year sub, you only have to pay each month. You don't have to, pay for the whole year, which is kind of nice. This has been one of my favorite boxes. Glossybox used to hold that for the longest time, but they're actually owned by the same company, which is really odd. But I have fallen in love with Look Fantastic. It has a lot of different brands, higher end, deluxe samples. It comes in a gorgeous box, which they kind of they designed for each month. I do use the boxes for collecting some of my skincare. I do have quite the hoard of it. I find that this is mostly a skincare with just a touch of makeup, which is great for me because I find that the other subs have overloaded me. So this is May's box. For some reason, I am just getting it now. I am not 100% sure why I'm having some issues with Look Fantastic, so I haven't even opened it. So in the top here, they always have a saying, which is kind of nice. Confidence is the ultimate shield. So this will have the different items that are in the box and highlight a few other items. It also has a sneak peek, sorry. We can exclusively reveal that all subscribers will receive the Bio Effect EG Serum worth $25, and that's actually pounds, so probably about $30, $40. So that'll be it next month. Sorry if you did not want to know that. I apologize now. So it also comes with apparently a slimmed down version of Owl. So, which is kind of nice. You can kind of go through the magazines, or feel like my daughter and rip them apart for no reason. They really do get an A for the packaging. I always love it. Different tissue paper, the sticker, everything is just so great. So there's my box here. So there was some things in here that I was so excited about, but now I've forgotten. So I see here Skin Chemist London Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads, which is great because, I don't sleep enough. There. So this is from Wella. This is Nutri-Rich with Goji Berry Deep Nourishing Mask. I have heard some really great things about Wella, so I can't wait to try that. So I'm guessing that's a hair mask, which is great because you never can have too many of those. This one here is a Northern Lights Soothing Cream. It's Polar. That's with Siberian Olive. Ooh. It has a nice little tint to it, so I'm guessing that I'm kind of interested to try that. It doesn't say in here how to use it, but I'm sure it will in the book, so I will have to check that out. This is Avant Hyaluronic Allergen Retinol 8-hour retexturing and antioxidizing hydraulic facial serum. Smooth a pea-sized amount in a gentle circular motion on the skin in the morning, evening after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating. So I will definitely be using that. Now I've never heard some of these companies, but I do know that a lot of them are high-end. That's why the sample can seem so small. I feel like I'm smelling something, but I'm not sure. Ooh. So this is Invisible Color Everyday Mind Tan Salon Professional Formula. An untinted daily moisturizing with a touch of a tan. Build or Extend a Natural Golden Glow. So, if you followed me any time before, I cannot tan. I have laser treatments that I do once a month, and I cannot have a tan on my face because it absorbs some of the laser treatment. So it makes the treatment less effective for me. So I do my best to wear my sunscreen outside all the time. I don't always manage to do it, but I have been lately. So oh, I think that's what it smells. I'm just gonna, I really like that. So now I can put this on, and then at the end of the day be able to wash it off and still get a bit of a tan. It's got a nice light, like, scent. Oh, I guess it's not even for your face. It's actually for I guess I better wash that off later because apparently it's for your body. So I will be trying that, I guess, on my legs later to see how it works. So this is Mellow Lip Crayon. It's an Area. It's kind of a dark color for me. So I'm not going to swatch that only because I'm not sure I'll be able to pull that off. Yeah, that might be a little too brown for me. I'm not sure if I will be able to use that. I was kind of hoping for more of a pink color, but I might give that a try once and see. So for $22, I got quite a few items that I will use. I'm not really saying anything I won't. I do wish the tanning stuff was a little bit bigger because, I mean, you're supposed to do your whole body with it, so I'll probably get 1 or 2 uses out of it. So, I mean, not too bad. It comes with a little bit of everything, like you said, and it's got one makeup item, your hair, your eyes, your body, an anti-aging cream, and a soothing cream from Northern Lights. So, I mean, it's great. It all fits in the box really well. I'm pleased with the box. I'm going to try maybe 1 more month and maybe give it a cancel. My Ipsy hasn't even shipped yet. It's the 13th of the month. Well, I should say I'm sure it's shipped. It's just that it hasn't gotten someplace where it sends out the emails to us. So I'm hoping we get that in the next few days. I hope that they don't have any issues. Anyway, I want to say a huge shout out to Lisa for mentioning me during her live broadcast on Friday. I was listening to you in the car on the way home from picking up my son, and we got home and we put you on the TV, and my family had a good time watching you. I did get over 500 subscribers. I got an email from YouTube saying that I had enough people to fit a jumbo jet, so I can't thank you guys all enough for watching my videos. Truly appreciative. I am thinking Wednesday this week, or possibly Friday, just depends on how things go. I will do the draw. So if you haven't already, I will put the video up somewhere around here. Please go like it, share it, and comment below, and I will pick a random comment and I will ship out everything except for the nail polish, because the nail polish can't be shipped. I apologize for that. I may add in a couple of extra items. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. So again, thank you so much for watching. And to Sabrina, I hope things get better. Thank you for mentioning me in your community. I have noticed that my subscribers have gone up just kind of randomly a couple of weeks ago. So I thank you, and I hope you enjoyed your gift. Thank you for supporting me, watching my videos. You are absolutely one of a kind. So if you ladies could comment below so that some of the people that are watching my videos, they may not know you guys, and they can follow you as well. I don't have as many as either one of you, but I'm slowly getting there. So I thank you ladies very much for everything that you have done for me. And I'm hoping to see you guys later this week, maybe next week, with some more unboxings. So take care. Thank you.